If you want to install Good Lock on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first we need to go to the Galaxy Store. Of course, you will need to use a Samsung account to be able to access the Galaxy Store. In here, we're going to use the search button in the upper right corner. Over here at the bottom, we have the search field, and we can type Good Lock. You should be able to easily find the app over here, so you can use this arrow button on the right side to start downloading it, or you can tap on the app itself and choose the install button at the bottom of the screen. Wait a couple of seconds and then you should be able to use the Good Lock app. Of course, first you have to set it up, but it is really simple. You just have to tap on agree and continue in here, and that is pretty much all. We have different plugins that you can now download on your phone. You can tap on them in order to see what they do, what they allow you to do, what they add, what features they provide, and so on and so forth. And if you want to download a plugin, you can use this arrow on the right side, for example, or the arrow in here once you open the description of the app, or the plugin actually. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.